Top 5 bedtime drinks diabetics should know. Lower blood sugar. Struggling with late-night blood sugar spikes or dips? You're not alone. For those with diabetes, managing blood sugar doesn't stop when the sun goes down. In fact, nighttime can be one of the trickiest times to maintain stable blood sugar levels. But what if I told you that the right bedtime drinks could make a huge difference in regulating your insulin production and helping control those midnight sugar fluctuations? In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 bedtime drinks that can help lower blood sugar and improve your overall diabetes management. These simple, natural drinks work wonders by promoting stable glucose levels and supporting your body's ability to use insulin more effectively. Whether you're looking to improve your sleep, reduce blood sugar spikes, or simply take control of your diabetes in a way that works with your body, these drinks are exactly what you need. Stick around because these drink choices could be the game changer you've been looking for. 1. Peppermint or chamomile tea. When it comes to managing diabetes, the right drinks before bed can work wonders. One excellent choice is herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint. These teas not only help you unwind after a long day, but also offer significant benefits for regulating blood sugar. Both chamomile and peppermint teas are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, which are important for improving insulin sensitivity and better glucose control. Chamomile tea, in particular, is known for its calming effects, making it the perfect pre-bedtime drink to help you relax and prepare for restful sleep. But beyond that, it has been shown to support blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest that chamomile may enhance insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively, helping prevent those late-night blood sugar spikes that many diabetics struggle with. Peppermint tea, on the other hand, offers its own unique benefits. While it may not have the same direct impact on insulin sensitivity as chamomile, peppermint has been shown to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and even help with weight management. All factors that can indirectly support better blood sugar control. Plus, it's refreshing and soothing, making it a great option if you're looking for something cool and calming before sleep. The great thing about these herbal teas is that they can be easily incorporated into your bedtime routine. To make the most of their benefits, try drinking a cup of chamomile or peppermint tea 30 minutes to an hour before you head to bed. You can even combine them with a small, healthy snack, like a handful of nuts, to further stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. By making these herbal teas a part of your nightly routine, you're not only giving your body the relaxation it needs for a good night's sleep, but also helping regulate your blood sugar levels in a natural, soothing way. So, next time you're looking for a bedtime drink, consider reaching for a cup of chamomile or peppermint tea. It's a simple yet effective way to support your diabetes management. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has become a popular natural remedy, and for good reason, especially when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. Many people swear by its ability to help lower blood sugar, and research supports its effectiveness, particularly for diabetics. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your bedtime routine, you could see an improvement in insulin sensitivity and a reduction in blood sugar spikes overnight. Apple cider vinegar works by enhancing your body's ability to use insulin more efficiently. Insulin is the hormone that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells, where it's used for energy. When you have diabetes, your body either doesn't produce enough insulin or doesn't use it effectively. Apple cider vinegar, especially when diluted in water, can help increase insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels naturally. One of the key benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. Studies have shown that consuming a small amount of vinegar with meals can lower the glycemic index of foods, meaning it helps prevent those rapid increases in blood sugar that often follow carbohydrate-rich meals. For diabetics, this is incredibly beneficial since controlling post-meal blood sugar is crucial for overall diabetes management. But why should you consider drinking apple cider vinegar before bed? Well, drinking it at night can help stabilize blood sugar levels while you sleep. This is important because overnight blood sugar fluctuations are common, and they can impact your morning blood sugar readings, often leading to a higher than normal fasted level in the morning. By drinking apple cider vinegar before bed, you can help prevent these spikes and keep your levels in check throughout the night. To make apple cider vinegar a part of your bedtime routine, Start by diluting about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Drinking it 30 minutes to an hour before bed allows the vinegar to work its magic while you sleep. If you find the taste too strong, you can add a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cinnamon to make it more palatable. While apple cider vinegar is a great tool for diabetes management, it's essential to keep in mind that it's not a cure-all. It should be part of a balanced approach to managing your diabetes, which includes a healthy diet, regular physical activity, and proper medication or insulin management. Additionally, if you have any concerns about adding apple cider vinegar to your routine, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider. 3. Soaked cinnamon water. Soaked cinnamon water is another fantastic bedtime drink for managing blood sugar, and it's as simple as it is effective. Cinnamon is well known for its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a powerful tool in diabetes management. But how does it work, and why should you add it to your nightly routine? Cinnamon contains compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone responsible for transporting glucose into cells, but when you have diabetes, your body doesn't use insulin as efficiently. Cinnamon can help make your cells more responsive to insulin, allowing better glucose control. This means that drinking soaked cinnamon water before bed could reduce those dreaded spikes in blood sugar levels that often happen during the night. So, how do you make this drink? It's easy. Simply add a couple of cinnamon sticks to a glass or jar of water. Let them soak for several hours, or even overnight. If you prefer, you can also gently heat the water with the cinnamon to help release more of the beneficial compounds. The longer it soaks, the more cinnamon flavor and benefits are infused into the water. You can drink it chilled or warm, depending on your preference. Enjoying this soothing, cinnamon-infused water before bed has a few notable advantages. For one, it's a natural, calorie-free way to sweeten your night without spiking your blood sugar. The infusion can also aid digestion, which is important because a well-functioning digestive system helps your body better absorb nutrients and maintain balanced glucose levels. Cinnamon has also been linked to reducing inflammation and improving cardiovascular health, both of which are key factors for diabetics to consider. But there's more. Cinnamon is also an antioxidant powerhouse, which can help combat oxidative stress, a common issue for diabetics. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants support overall health and improve your body's ability to manage blood sugar. Consuming cinnamon water regularly could, therefore, not only help you stabilize your blood sugar levels, but also improve your overall well-being in the long term. Incorporating soaked cinnamon water into your routine is simple, inexpensive, and incredibly beneficial. Not only does it help you regulate your blood sugar overnight, but it also provides a comforting, flavorful drink that can ease you into restful sleep. So why not try it tonight? Just remember, consistency is key. Make cinnamon water a regular part of your bedtime habits, and you'll likely start seeing improvements in your blood sugar management. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 4. Almond milk. Almond milk is an excellent choice for anyone managing diabetes, especially as a bedtime drink. Unlike regular milk, which contains higher amounts of carbohydrates and sugars, almond milk is low in both. This makes it a fantastic option for stabilizing blood sugar levels, particularly before sleep when your body naturally experiences fluctuations in glucose. A glass of unsweetened almond milk before bed can keep blood sugar steady through the night, which is essential for maintaining overall health and avoiding those unexpected spikes or drops. But what makes almond milk so special for diabetics? First, it's rich in healthy fats, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This means that consuming almond milk doesn't lead to the same rapid increases in blood glucose levels that sugary beverages or dairy milk might cause. These healthy fats are also important for supporting heart health, an area that diabetics need to pay extra attention to as they are at higher risk for cardiovascular issues. Almond milk is also packed with essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium. Magnesium is particularly important because it helps improve insulin sensitivity, which makes it easier for your body to process glucose. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that fights inflammation, a common issue for people with diabetes, while calcium supports strong bones and helps regulate blood sugar. All of these benefits combine to make almond milk not only a great blood sugar stabilizer, but also a nourishing bedtime drink. Now, when it comes to how to enjoy almond milk, it's best to opt for the unsweetened variety. Sweetened almond milk may contain added sugars that can interfere with blood sugar control. Stick to plain unsweetened almond milk and consider adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract for extra flavor without the extra carbs. Drinking a warm glass of almond milk before bed can also help you relax, thanks to the calming effects it can have on your body. The soothing warmth combined with the nutritional benefits makes it the perfect nighttime beverage. For an even more beneficial combination, you can pair almond milk with other bedtime habits, like having a light, healthy snack. For example, pairing it with a small handful of nuts can provide additional protein and fiber to further stabilize your blood sugar levels. This combination of almond milk and a balanced snack will help you feel full, prevent overnight blood sugar spikes, and support restful sleep. Adding almond milk to your nighttime routine is an easy and delicious way to keep your blood sugar in check while offering a range of health benefits. Whether you're sipping it alone or mixing it into a more complex bedtime ritual, almond milk is a simple yet powerful tool in your diabetes management strategy. 5. Turmeric milk. Turmeric, often called the golden spice, has long been celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent addition to a diabetic's nighttime routine. When combined with warm milk, whether dairy or plant-based, turmeric transforms into a soothing, flavorful drink known as golden milk. This drink is not only comforting, but also may support better blood sugar control by enhancing insulin sensitivity, a key factor in managing diabetes. But how does turmeric work its magic? The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown in various studies to have anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce insulin resistance. For those with diabetes, insulin resistance is a major challenge, as it means the body doesn't respond to insulin as effectively, leading to higher blood sugar levels. By consuming golden milk before bed, you may be supporting your body's ability to use insulin more effectively, especially when combined with other habits that help manage blood sugar, like a consistent sleep routine and healthy evening snacks. The benefits of turmeric golden milk go beyond just blood sugar management. The warm milk base provides a soothing effect, which can help you wind down and relax before sleep. The comforting drink has the ability to support a peaceful night's rest, something that's crucial for those managing diabetes. Adequate sleep helps regulate hormones that control both appetite and blood sugar, and it also reduces stress, which can elevate blood sugar levels. How can you make this drink a part of your routine? It's quite simple. To make a cup of turmeric golden milk, you just need to warm your choice of milk, be it cow's milk, almond milk, or another plant-based alternative, and stir in 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. For extra flavor, you can add a pinch of black pepper as it enhances curcumin absorption. A small amount of honey or cinnamon can also be added for sweetness and flavor, but be cautious with the sugar content. Sip it slowly as part of your evening wind-down routine to benefit from its blood sugar-lowering effects while promoting relaxation. Golden milk is not only effective on its own, but can also be combined with other nighttime habits that support blood sugar regulation. For instance, pair it with a light snack that's high in protein or fiber, like a handful of almonds, for added stability in your blood sugar levels. This combination can keep you feeling full, prevent late-night cravings, and ensure you wake up with more stable blood sugar levels. As always, while golden milk and similar bedtime drinks can aid in managing blood sugar, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or routine. Personalized advice from your doctor or dietitian will ensure you are making the best choices for your health and diabetes management. Incorporating these top 5 bedtime drinks into your routine can be a simple yet powerful way to help manage blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. From soothing herbal teas to the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric golden milk, each drink offers unique advantages that support your body's ability to regulate blood sugar while you sleep. Whether it's the blood sugar stabilizing effects of apple cider vinegar or the calming influence of cinnamon water, these drinks can serve as valuable tools in your diabetes management toolkit. However, always remember that while these drinks can be beneficial, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Make sure to consult your doctor or a qualified specialist before making any changes to your diet or health routine. Personalized guidance is key to managing your diabetes effectively and ensuring the best possible outcomes. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Let us know which bedtime drink you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes, and be sure to check out the related videos in the description below to continue your journey toward better health. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.